Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About secant of 9x, we can put into 1 over cosine 9x. Tan 9x, we can put into sine 9x over cosine 9x. Now, 1 over cosine 9x, we can do about factorization with this one. Now, cosine 9x will go to numerator. And you got about cosine 9x squared. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine 9x squared plus sine 9x squared equals to number 1. So we have cosine 9x squared. So I will put this one go to the right. And you got about 1 minus sine 9x squared. So I will put this one go in here. We have 1 minus sine 9x squared. This one we have identity, so I can put into 1 minus sine 9x multiplied by 1 plus sine 9x. Now we need to simplify 1 minus sine 9x, and you got about 1 plus sine 9x. The integration of number 1, you got about x. The integration of sine 9x, you got about negative 1 over 9 cosine 9x, and we put about c. And this is the final answer. Now, let's go to question number 2. We see that we have cosecant of 6x, cosecant of 6x. You can do about factorization. So this one, that's it about 1 over sine 6x. This one, that's it about 1 over sine 6x. And this one will go to numerator. Next, I will multiply by sine 6x on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about sine 6x to the power of 2. Sine 6x multiplied by 1 over sine 6x and number 1, you got about 1 minus sine 6x. Next, we need to multiply by 1 plus sine 6x on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about 1 minus sine 6x squared. This one, 1 minus sine 6x squared, you got about cosine 6x squared. Sine 6x divided by cosine 6x, you got about 10. So we have tan 6x squared multiplied by number 1 and sine 6x. Now I will concentrate about this one first. Tan 6x squared we can change into secant of 6x squared minus 1. The integration of this one, you got about 1 over 6 tan 6x minus s, and we put about c. Now I will go to this one. About this one, you got about sin 6x squared over cosine 6x squared. And we know that this one we can change into 1 minus cosine 6x squared. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine 6x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to negative number 6 sin 6x dx. Because we don't have negative number 6 going here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 6. So this one you got about u squared. This one you got about u squared. Sin 6x dx we change by this one. So we have 1 divided by u squared divided by u squared. And you got about 1 over u squared minus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 1 over u squared, you got about negative 1 over u. The integration of number 1, you got about u, and we put about c. Negative, 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 we simplify. About u, that's about cosine 6x. And now we need to combine the answer. That's it from here. And this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end.